Hi guys, welcome back to Suzanne Wachtel, Living Your Best Life. Today I'm recording from Jamaica. I'm here on a getaway at a beautiful resort, very small, very intimate, but really tucked away in the jungle like cliffs of Port Antonio. Never been to this part of Jamaica before, but I have to tell you, it is so quiet that at first it's a bit of a culture shock. But as you ease into it, this is day 3, I'm totally relaxed, had wonderful sleep, had a chance to really enjoy the nature, actually swim in the pool, read a book, eat some yummy food, and just go a little slower for a few days. I have to tell you, resetting your nervous system is so important. And yes, we can take a day at home and take a class, take a walk, and those things all are wonderful. But when you actually can get away from your life, even just for a half a day, a few hours, and maybe go to the beach, go to nature, just go to a park, it just really does help you to calm down, get back to yourself, and really think about your life. Make decisions, don't make decisions, just take a little bit of time and just come back to just being, like for me, Suzanne, just being in the moment, looking out at the water, enjoying my serenity right now, enjoying my peace of mind at the moment, getting into a story in a book, pretty much staying off my phone except to make this recording, and just taking a time out. So I think resetting your mind, your system, and taking a time out in life is a very important skill, and we don't do it enough. We're all so addicted to that phone and that screen. But if you could just hear me for a minute, please, once a day, take time out. Whenever you can get away with it, take time away from your life. Just take your time away, find some pleasant things to do, and reset. Anyway, have a wonderful time and a beautiful day, and I certainly am here in Jamaica. Sending you all good vibes and love. This is short and sweet because I really didn't want to overdo my message, but again, if you can't get to an island or your special place, just take some time to reset and reevaluate your life and really feel good about this moment right here, right now. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.